Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to make photo capture effect in Filmora. So let's start the video. I use Wondershare Filmora X version. Now I open it. In this welcome screen I select new project option. Now I drag my videos into timeline and delete unnecessary part of the video if there are. I don't want to cut the part of my video, because I modified them before. I want to remove the music of these video. So I detach the audio and delete. Now I add transition for these videos. I change the durations of one transition and apply all. And I add fade transition for start and end of the timeline. Now I split my video footage where I want effect and take a snapshot. I add that snapshot where I split the footage and above video track in the timeline. After that I select the all snapshots and change their preview duration. I select first snapshot in second video track and change the scale to 75%. Now I select first snapshot and add border from effect tab. Then I copy these effects and paste the other snapshot in second track. Now you can see like this. Now I select the first snapshot in first video track and add square blur effect. If you want change to blur amount or border size of snapshots, you can go to show properties and scroll down and change the blur amount and border size. Now I select the first snapshot in first video track and copy the blur effect for pasting other snapshots in first video track. I insert background music and the camera shutter sound effect to the media library. Then I copy the edited sound effect and paste below line of the snapshots. I add the background music now. I split my background music and delete the unnecessary part. And I add fade in and out effect for background music. Now I can export my video. This is the final output. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and check out these cool videos.